In this video, we're going to talk about Mara, and then we're also going to get into CHEWY and see what's going on with Mara and CHEWY. All right, this is Mara's website for everybody who's never seen it before. Just wanted to show it to you. I think it looks cool, so that's why I wanted to show it to you. Let's get into the charts. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. All righty, we are looking at it on the 4-hour time frame. Up here, left top, you can see it right there. For Mara, ticker symbol M-A-R. Wait, hold on. M-A-R-A. Okay, now that we said that nice and slowly. All right, $20.23. Yes, that's what we're trading at right now. Okay, and whoever's had it for a while, you're like, when are we just gonna moon? Okay, yeah, I know. Because we had to go all the way down here, into the depths of hell, and then wait, as Bitcoin was doing everything it was doing, Mara's just jacking around. Whenever you're below this orange, the gold color line, 200-day moving average, it's like you're in the depths of heck, okay? And you have to wait until the stock can get back above it, like it's trying to do now, okay? So we were down here. Let me tell you, if you ever get down here again, this level, the levels when you're scared to buy, that's the time to buy. Okay, that's the time to buy. Because when you buy down here at $15 and you sell up here at 30, woo, nice. Okay, nice. So anyway, we're here right now. So now we're slightly below it on this time frame on a 4-hour. So let's go look at the daily. Here we go. Let's move. Here we go. See, daily look, time frames. The time frames make a difference. Okay, and then you can see where the moving averages are on the daily. This is why it's important to look at different time frames. All right, so now see, above it. All right, that's why I'm looking at it right now. I'm talking about it, and I'm saying I want to buy some more. But, we have all of 2024 to go with Mara and Bitcoin and everything. This is what I see right about now. Let's draw some trend lines. Do you see what I see? A little bit of, let's draw the trend lines. Let's draw this one first. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, right? If that's there, and if this one, the rhythm, the rebel, here we go. Just give me a second. Lord. Okay. So are we in a channel? Series price respecting this line going up? And we had some support here. And here we had 3 touches. We had 3 touches of support here. Are we going to do that again? Right? See what I'm saying? Fall down to this area, $19.24. Are we going to do that? Because at least if we are, I'm not saying we will, but if we do something like that, then but then we're supposed to turn and go back up at that point. So if it respects, because it respected it once, 2, 3 times. So if it decides to do it again, okay, this is probably your friend. That's probably your friend right there. And it takes out some of the fear of buying there, right? And you have to wait. So you see when it goes to the support areas, right? So each candle's a day. 1, 2, 3. So it takes about 3 days for it to turn around. But you see when it hit, then the next day is phew, right? Okay, it's always, So once you start getting close, you got to say, if you want to buy, I'm not telling you to buy, okay? I have enough Mara. I'm holding some Mara from lower levels and stuff like that, right? So it depends where you're at and all this. But if you're going to buy, you could, since it takes around 3 days to get into it, right? For the stock to turn around. Once you start going under $20, you could say, buy 1 day, buy 2 days, and buy the 3rd day. Dollar cost average yourself in. So you could try to get this area. So you could set, in your brokerage account, you could have automatic buys for certain prices, limit orders, okay? So you could try to get it and ride it back up. And then since you see, come on, 3 times, sold up here. If I see this, other people see this. I'm not the only one who sees this, okay? Right? So other traders will see this. So somewhere in this area, $24, then you can sell a little bit, right? Let me just extend the, let me just extend it, okay? Right? Pow. Okay, so somewhere around there. If it doesn't keep going up, it depends what Bitcoin is doing and everything like that. But I wanted to make sure I showed it to you like this so you can see, because you could just play the range. You know, if it's going to keep doing that, you could just play the range. If you're a fan of Mara, you could have some in the short-term account. You could have some in the long-term account. You don't have to, you know, like sell everything of your long-term, because you know Bitcoin will do stuff for the rest of the year. You know, it's not over. All of that stuff is not over. So Mara will ride up into the sunset. Eventually it's going to break this level. Once it gets above, see, like this area right here and all that, and eventually it'll go back up. It'll do its thing. It's just going to take time. Okay, but anyway, so I wanted to bring Mara to you right there. Let's keep moving on. CHEWY! Alrighty. Look at this. CHEWY fans, what? Oh my God, what are y'all doing right now? This is the daily time frame. Broke above the 200-day moving average. Pow! Like that. Pow! They said, hold my beer. What? She's on fire. It just went like, boom. What happened? Earnings. Earnings happened. That's what happened, people. Look at that. Look at that. Green beat. What? Beat, but really, really beat. Woo! Everybody was like, CHEWY, go, 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 right? So, go, go. Get it, go, go. Get it. Okay, so now, let's see. What is the next level you have to watch out for? Because that's what you need to know. Let's go right about here, okay? Hold on. Oops. Let's get this trend line one more time. And kind of around here. Let's see this price level. Okay. So it was like $25. Oh my gosh, it won't. Okay. So between here and here is like 25. So as it progresses and everything, it's not like a straight shot, right? But expect some hesitancy around, because before the stock reacted with the price there and people sold, okay? People are not going to forget that, because people like me are looking at this right now. So we know that that's an area of selling. So someone like me, I could buy low and I could say, okay, I'm going to sell up here a little bit. And if you want to hold it long term, then you ride it on, you keep some to ride into the sunset. But expect to have a little bit of an issue around here, around this level, okay? All right, expect to have some issue. And then, but I mean, once you get above that, you have some good space above you. Okay, you have some good space, but we can deal with that when it comes. Look over here in this area, $40. I mean, we got to see, because for a while it's been selling off. Okay, for a while it's been selling off. So I'm not like saying go into this. Okay, I'm just showing it because this is what's going on for now. This is news, so I'm talking about it. This is CHEWY. This is their financials of how they're looking right now for the week, month, quarter, and all that. This is their market cap. This is their sales. 11 Billy, yo, $1 billion boys club. What? Alrighty. $1 billion girl club. Okay. So CHEWY's doing something, but see, like, see, neutral. And that's why I'm kind of like, okay, but see, look, for the year. So I'm kind of like, okay, whatever. But CHEWY, look, when I heard CHEWY, I was like, you go, girl. Lassie, tell me, Lassie. If y'all know about Lassie from back in the day, smart, fearless collie, okay? Lassie was talking to the owners. They'd be like, and it's in dog talk. It would be like, Lassie, what did you say, Lassie? The Bitcoin price is going to go to 120, 140,000? Say it again. Yes, Lassie, I'm listening. Lassie, tell me. Yes, girl. So Lassie was telling everybody, Lassie, there's a boy in the well and he's drowning. I mean, like, we were like, wait, what? And this was a show back in the day. Click like, click subscribe. See you next time. Anything that moves. Bye for now.